Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find large files in OneDrive. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft OneDrive app from your web browser. Head to onedrive.com and sign into your account. This will give you access to all your cloud storage and file management features. Wait until the login process finishes and you'll be directed to your OneDrive dashboard. From here, to find large files in OneDrive, start by navigating to your left side menu and click on the My Files menu. This section displays all the files you have stored under your OneDrive cloud storage, making it easy to view and manage your content. From here, direct your attention to the top header of your file list. You'll see a Sort button located there. Click on it and you'll be presented with several ways to sort your files. This sorting feature is particularly useful when you need to identify which files are taking up the most space in your storage. Now, from the available options, click on File Size. This tells OneDrive to organize your files based on how much storage space they occupy. Once the file size sort is enabled, click on it again. This allows you to adjust the sort order from largest to smallest or vice versa. Select largest to smallest so you can see the large files in your OneDrive right at the top of your list. This way you can quickly identify which files are consuming the most storage space and decide whether you need to delete them, move them to local storage, or keep them in the cloud. And that's it. You've successfully sorted your OneDrive files by size, making it easy to find and manage large files that might be taking up valuable storage space. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.